Alright, I never did a London broil Savoy. So there's a tablespoon of thyme, oregano, and pepper. It's not freshly ground, freshly cracked. And if you already know, you can never put too much garlic. That looks good. Garlic's good. Alright. How many? 2, maybe 3 tablespoons. Alright. Now the key with this is my balsamic vinegar, I let it soak in undried tomatoes. Why would somebody do that? It infuses so much flavor. Then after I'm done, I'll refill these back up. Alright, this one, oops, don't worry about it. It's only a sun-dried tomato, it's not going to kill the story. But because I am going to refill these with more balsamic, I use these tomatoes occasionally, they can sit in the refrigerator for months on end. And then pull them out and throw them on anything you want. They are delicious. These got to be refilled with balsamic vinegar. Oops, something's dripping down. We want to clean that up. Quick pause for the cause. Alright, we're going to hit this up once. You notice I'm turning it slightly at an angle. You do not want to go more than half, because as you hit it, Houston, you got a problem, and hopefully you're not wearing a white shirt like I am. Alright. See how good that looks? I would have bought one of those other hand blenders, but I like the plastic one. I don't like the metal one because it could scratch something. That's the only reason I use this. Alright, quick. Oh wow, garlic's amazing. Quick pause for the cause. Alright, last night I was hanging out with a whole bunch of Italian women and we were doing the argument on sauce and gravy. This is not a sauce, this is a marinade. Eventually it'll turn into a reduction. But as you could see, I leave the sun-dried tomatoes in there. I go in and I get them when I need them. We redistributed it. You see how they're percolating? That one's done. And this is how we roll at my house. Chicken Savoy to the next level. Sorry, Stretch. My stuff's better than yours. Don't take it personal, but I do 5-star restaurant stuff, and that's why people come to my channel. But I know you love what I do. I'm almost out of balsamic. We need some more. It's alright. Corrados will be back. Yummy. That is my marinade for my London broil Savoy. First time I've ever done it. Hey, you got to try new things. What can I say? Love it.